Welcome back to Tech by Pike. Today we are unboxing a Dell XPS 9510. This comes with the new four-sided Infinity Edge OLED screen. It's 4K, it's touch, and then it also comes with an Intel i7-11800H, an RTX 3050 Ti, 1TB SSD, and 60 gigabytes of RAM. We're really looking forward to unboxing and take a look at it. We'll check out the chassis, the keyboard, all the external pieces of the laptop. Then we'll look at the internals, and then I'll have some initial thoughts at the end. Let's get into it. XPS 159510. So it does have the Dell adapter, USB-C to USB-A, HDMI, DA20. Power adapter cable. This is a 130 watt brick here, power brick. I hate to ruin it, but that is really nice and small. I like that a lot. I think there might be a plastic coating under this. Here is the adapter for USB-A and the HDMI ports. Way to go, Dell, for thinking ahead. I like that. Nice addition. So you don't have to go out and get it yourself. That's great. We're going to check out the chassis here. There's absolutely no flex at all. Just a very slight bit right there, but right near the Dell logo, but I mean, it's nothing. That is rock solid. There is no lip here for your finger to get underneath. So, let's see if we can open it up with one finger. That's great. We're going to slide it over here real quick and do that again and see if there's any wobble. Barely any flex whatsoever. That is really nice. Very, very stiff. Okay, let's check out the keyboard, the trackpad, and the palm rest. So this laptop is made out of a CNC machined aluminum with carbon fiber composite palm rest, and I'm guessing that's why it's got this texture actually all the way around to the screen here around the keyboard, which is really comfortable actually. I'm guessing these are the speakers here. Stereo woofer 2.5 watts times 2 and a stereo tweeter 1.5 watt times 2, which makes 8 watts total peak, which is great. And then the keyboard here, let's check it out real quick. Ooh, that has pretty decent travel. Good clicking action. Boy, that's really comfortable. I really like that a lot. That's not bad. And then if you can see it here, probably not, but you have a small little bezel here, but it's covered up because once you open up the laptop, it lowers down and you can't see the bezel at all. It's pretty much all screen. Very thin bezel around the top and the sides, and then you have the 720p camera with the 2 mics on both sides. You can't see it, but you will. And we'll test that out in our next benchmarking video. All right, that's not bad. No flex at all, by the way. It's rock solid all the way around. Okay, let's check out the I/O. On the left-hand side, you got the power port, two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, and I don't know if you see that or not, but you have two downward to the side facing speakers. Then on the right-hand side, you have a USB-C and a full-size SD slot, and that's probably an earphone mic jack combo. And then you have those speakers again on the right hand side, so that's pretty cool. And then you have the HDMI and USB-A dongle here for extra ports, but you do take up a USB-C port to give you those other two ports, the USB-A and HDMI. Actually, I'm okay with that. So the laptop by itself weighs 4 pounds, 4.1 ounces, and then when you add the power brick and cables, it's 5 pounds, 2.9 ounces, and then once you factor in the adapter, 5 pounds, 3.7 ounces. So let's check out the internals, but first let's talk about the bottom plate here that is held in place to the chassis with these T5 screws. They're little short ones. And I will say these were a lot easier to take out than the T5s on a razor blade. I don't know if maybe the metal's different. The razor blade seems to have kind of a softer T5 screw, but these seem pretty hard. I don't know. They were just easier. Anyway, let's check this out real quick. Once you do get the screws out, it is a little bit difficult to get the bottom plate off. You do need a little patience, and definitely your little guitar pick or whatever they are, these little plastic things that you can get out on Amazon. Alright. Got the grills there. Okay, let's set this off to the side here. Just put it on top. So, the first thing you see is the 86 watt battery. You have the downward to side facing speakers. I think these are the woofers. You have your primary SSD, which we have a terabyte drive, and then you have the extra slot here for another SSD for extra storage. And then you have your two memory DIMMs here, and we'll take those out in a minute. Then you have your two fans and your shared heat pipes over the GPU and CPU. Let's take this out real quick and check out the RAM. Just kind of get in there a little bit so you can see it. Okay, put it back. And then you have this copper plating here and some kind of the pad underneath there. I don't know what that is. It's like a heat sink for something. Anyway, there you go. Oh, the Wi-Fi 6 card, I think it is a killer card, which it is, and I believe it's soldered to the motherboard. So, unable to swap that out, unfortunate. Okay, I think we're good there. The Dell XPS 9510, this is a fantastic laptop so far. I love the quality of build. It is rock solid. Very little flex in the chassis, very little to no wobble in the screen. There is plenty of I/O, especially if you include the dongle with the USB-A and HDMI port. A couple things I want to mention. This Kensington lock right here, I thought it was a power port. It's not. Power deliveries through the Thunderbolt with the Thunderbolt 4 with the power brick and power cable. And then while I was putting the bottom plate back to the chassis after we looked at the internals, I noticed the back venting here, which I didn't notice before, so I just want to make sure I mentioned that. And then you get a full-size SD slot, which is excellent. We're going to go ahead and do some benchmarking, see how this thing performs, and then we're going to check out the camera, the speakers, and the screen, and we'll bring that video to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from Tech by Pike, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it, helps the channel, and not only that, it gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. And in addition, it gives us an opportunity to get better as we go along. And for that, we thank you. We'll see you in the next one.